Fact versus fiction. Spray foam is toxic. Fact or fiction? Buildings need to breathe. Fact or fiction? Spray foam is too expensive. Hey guys, Shelby with Spray-Tec here. Today we are here with our friend, Ben Monsma. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'm Ben Monsma. I work with Creative Polymer Solutions. We make AccuFoam, spray foam insulation, and rugged coatings for the roofing and exterior projects.
Okay, so we've had 3 fictions so far, so let's liven things up. Give me a fact.
Fact, spray foam contractors matter. You can have the best material possible, but if you don't have a great partnership with the contractor from a manufacturer standpoint, they can use your material the wrong way. Same for building owners and homeowners. If that contractor isn't trained and isn't able to see your project as a whole, that's where we can get some of these horror stories. So understanding the building as a system is where contractors matter.
Contractors like Spray-Tec. Okay.
No, bring it up.
You want to talk about some trauma? Yeah.
Yep.
So Kentucky recently had some tornado activity, and I was recently talking with one of our customers, and we had spray foamed their facility, and they said they're pretty sure that the spray foam is what held them together from the tornado that hit 30 feet away.
Well, we was here when the tornado come through here in Jericho, and it hit us right across the road.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty confident that's what held the building together.
Yeah.
What is your perspective on that?
So that is fun fact number 2. Spray foam makes your buildings more resilient. You know, it has been proven through the Miami-Dade County hurricane uplift test that closed cell spray foam and spray foam in general will make your building more resilient to severe weather. So the wind is one aspect, but then the pollution or forest fires in California, you know, sealing with spray foam prevents that from getting in your building.
And that's been tested.
That is tested and verified fact. So,
okay, last fun fact, and make it good.
Okay. So spray foam solves problems other products can't. Okay? So because spray foam is a liquid to start, it is custom fit to every application. So cool situations all solved by spray foam. Building enclosures like freezers, under concrete for concrete lifting, roofing materials, custom fit to every building or every application it's put into is why spray foam's a better problem solver. So the same equipment, same contractor can handle a lot of those things.